I feel want to sleep. Yeah, very delicious, Mani. Thank you. Crunchy. Greg, how's your day, Greg? Mine is Vicky. Are you at work or no, Greg? I want to eat banana. Ay, I want to eat banana, Greg. Let's eat banana, guys. Money eating money. I will eat banana. I'm good. I've been chilling it Saturday. Oh, wow. Good, Greg. Good. If I'm there, I will chill with you. So I will just gonna eat banana. Finally back after a week of hell of work. Oh, Shokson. Today is your rest day. Enjoy, Shokson. Bless you. Looking beautiful. Pratik, Sha, thank you so much. So guys, I wait. I'm gonna eat first banana. I'm very hungry. I brought 2 banana. DK Mena, hello. I'm good. How are you too? Thank you, Jaja. You're welcome, Shokson. And bless you. Take a rest. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the day of your rest day. You are so beautiful and very hot. DK Mina, thank you. Remember to chew the banana. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna chew this. I'm hungry, Shokson. So be quiet, Shokson. I will eat banana. What's up, Shokson from Greg? Greg, be silent, ha? I want to feel my banana. Ma'am, enjoy banana with... I will not read comment now while I'm eating banana. I'm really, really hungry. I want to drink medicine. I have headache. I'm from Philippines. She loves those long banana. No, the banana is not long. It's curved. Shokson, the banana, it's curved. Thank you, DK, Shokson, my dear. Regago. Grego Go Gaga.